Big breaking news coming in, and this is coming by way of the CJP. The CJP founder is now claiming that venue owners are being threatened, and venue owners are telling him that there is pressure from above to cancel all of CJP's events, essentially. Mr. Dibke has also alleged that the BJP associated people are behind these threats, claiming an atmosphere of fear is being created.
आज हम दिल्ली में हमारी वॉलंटियर्स मीट करने वाले थे, जिसके लिए हमें एक इंडोर मीटिंग करनी थी। इसके लिए हम हॉल चाहते थे। हम कई जगहों पर गए, किसी ने भी हमें हॉल नहीं दिया। सारे लोग कह रहे थे ऊपर से प्रेशर है, हम कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी वालों को हॉल नहीं दे सकते। ये हॉल हमें मिला था, लेकिन आज सुबह इनको भी धमकी दी गई और इन्हें बोला गया कि अगर आप यहाँ कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी की मीटिंग होने देते हो तो आपको उल्टा लटकाया जाएगा। तो ये सारा बीजेपी के द्वारा किया जा रहा है। बीजेपी के लोग सभी को डरा रहे, धमका रहे कि कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी वालों को अगर कोई मीटिंग के लिए जगह दे देगा तो उनको उल्टा लगाया जाएगा। इस तरह का माहौल बीजेपी वाले इस देश में फैला रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं इन लोगों से, उनकी बातों से ये जो हो रहा है उस सबसे उनका डर साफ नजर आ रहा है।
Going across to Dev for a quick answer. Dev, the question obviously, is the Delhi police saying anything at all? Because the allegation is against the BJP, that it is BJP goons who are threatening venue owners not to let the CJP hold their meetings.
I mean, Abhijit Dibke is already in controversy. If you've seen his latest video where he's seen saying that we are going to be back with Jantar Mantar season 2.0, this happened just before that, where they were scheduled to hold another party strategy meeting. Firstly, no one was ready to give them halls. And once when they found the hall, and he went on Twitter and clarified saying that, you know, I have the payment receipts as well. And just hours before their meeting, they got a call from the owner saying that they're being threatened and that they would be beaten up and they would not live, etc. So post that, he went on to clarify. And also this comes in the wake of his latest campaign, where he has said on social media platforms, including Instagram, saying that school theek karo, where he is targeting now, saying that post 80 years of independence, post more than 75 years of independence, we still have to ask for basic facilities in schools, even at a Zilla Parishad level.
We'll see if the BJP responds to the latest charge that Mr. Dibke is making. We'll leave it there, Dev. Thank you very much.